Okay, Jessie, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to do a video for you where you're going to use a size 6mm hook and then the Woobles yarn that we got. Alright, so we're going to do a slip knot. Okay, your left hand holds the yarn, your right hand grabs it and crosses it over. Okay, see how the yarn is on the top? Gonna fold it down, pull the knot. Okay, that's your slip knot. Now we're going to chain 11. Alright, remember, you're gonna hold it with those 3, and you're gonna wrap it twice around your first finger, and then you're gonna grab that knot with your middle finger and your thumb. Okay, use your hook, grab it, and pull through. Okay, 1, grab it and pull through, and then you're going to move over, and you're just grabbing that area right there, right below the working yarn. Alright, wrap, and pull through. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Alright, you got your pretty little V's. Now on the back, it's just bump in the middle. We're going to make you work. That bump in the middle is what you're going to pick up. Okay. Now this is a single crochet, so you got 2 loops. You wrap it around, pull through the 1. Wrap it around, pull through the 2. Okay. Then the next bump, wrap it around, pull through, wrap it around, pull through 2. You're going to do that 10 times. Okay. Through, wrap, and pull through 2. Go through the bump, wrap and pull through that 1, wrap and pull through both. Almost done. Sometimes you have to retighten your fingers. You notice this hook moves. There you go. And there. Now to count this, all the bees all the way at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. And then that's why I go through the bumps, so you got bees on the top and on the bottom. Now we're going to turn. There's different ways to turn, but how I like to do is take this end and you're going to turn it to the left in front. Go over, okay? Now you're going to chain 2, which is wrap and pull through 2. That's going to be your first chain, or your first double crochet is what we're going to say. So you don't want to go into that stitch, you're going to go into the next stitch. Okay. Double crochet your, oh, sorry, I should talk about the double crochet. All right, so the double crochet is you're going to wrap around your hook, and then you're going to go put in it, but this time for the second row you're going to go under the V, so you're going to have 2 stitches right there. Wrap, pull through 1, wrap, pull through the first 2, wrap, and pull through the second 2. All right, wrap, go through your next stitch, which you can tell what you've been worked through. That's where that one is. And your next available V, put it in, wrap, pull through, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2. We do this all the way to the end. Trying to go as slow as possible so you can see what I'm doing. Oh, there goes my son. Okay, and get the V. Alright, let's get a closer look at this because I only got a few stitches left. There's a V on the top. Okay. And there's this little hole right there under the V. So you're going to go under the V. Wrap, pull through, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2. Wrap, under the V, wrap, pull through, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2. Last stitch is going to look a little wonky, but you're going to go in there and wrap, pull through, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, and pull through 2. And you can make sure you got 10 stitches. This chain stitch counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, now we're gonna cut off. All right. So you're leaving a crochet hook in and stretch your finger out as far as you can. That's how I like to do it. So you got plenty enough yarn to actually weave in. So you're going to cut the yarn. Maybe. This is thick yarn, so. Alright. And then you're going to play like you're doing a chain. You're going to wrap, pull through, but this time you can put it all the way through and pull tight. And there you have done slip knot, chain stitch, single crochets, double crochets, and I guess you can call it a bind off or a knot, I don't know, but that's how it's supposed to look. I hope this helps.